What is up, YouTube? Today I'm out here, come to one of Mookie's thingy-majiggers that Mookie likes to have once a month. How often do you have those?
It used to be once a month.
Got Tater Chip out here,
7 months. Yeah.
Captain Sweetbeard back there, got Annoying FPV out in the house, Mookie FPV, A-Man's back there,
Screaming.
There's that guy, and then there's Paul back there. So we're out here. I don't like it, but there's a race course over there, and Mookie's got it all set up. So here's a little bit of me flying around a race course.
Quad dock, you're slow.
Coming for you, Quad Dot. So, if any of you seen the video from the other day when Harrison armed his quad
in his hands,
in my hands, and about took my face off, this is his quad right here. He is flying the old school Chameleon V1. He's got like a blue and an orange roll cage on there. Flying Kiss V1, everything. I don't know what motors these are, but
not for looks.
That's not. He's having trouble with his camera, and I don't have a spare with me, so I've been letting him fly my quad today. And would you like to tell him what you think about the TAC Skull V3 TAC edition?
Okay, actually, I mean, I've seen the videos of like, oh my god, oh, it's so cool. I'm like, oh, it's my dad's friend. They're probably just saying that. Okay, I actually flew it, and it's pretty good. I mean, I think it feels like super like good. Like I can't really like explain it, but like it's good.
Super good.
It's like super good. I don't know how to explain it.
Super
like,
good. So
I feel like I'm lying.
Let's check out some Harrison footage flying the TAC Skull V3 TAC edition. I don't know why I gotta call it TAC twice, but here it goes.
TAC frame.
TAC frame.
Yeah.
Here it goes. Well, we're gonna have to cut the day a little short today.
Part 2.
I don't even know if the footage will show up, but let's cut to the clip if it did. And if it didn't, I'm just gonna keep on talking. We are gonna have to call it a day today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everybody for coming. This is gonna be a short one, but keep an eye out for the next video because I got some things we're going to...
Guys, look, I swear it wasn't my fault, guys. It's just, I swear it wasn't my fault, guys. I swear, it really wasn't. Just high VTX of these guys around here, man. Oh my god.